Hey creators! In today's tutorial, I will show you how to download and install Adobe Animate for free on your PC, Mac, or laptop with a 14-day trial of the business plan. This will give you full access to all the animation and multimedia features that Animate has to offer. First, click the link in this video's description. It'll take you directly to Adobe's business trial page for Animate. Once you're there, make sure to choose the business plan. This unlocks the full version of Animate, including all the pro features and extra tools for collaboration and team projects, giving you a premium experience. Next, select the payment plan that works best for you. If you want flexibility, go with the monthly plan. You can cancel anytime. If you know you'll be animating for the long term, the yearly plan gives you a better monthly rate and saves you money in the long run. You'll need to log into your Adobe account or create one if you don't already have one. Adobe will ask for a payment method to begin the trial, but don't worry. You won't be charged if you cancel before the 14 days are up. I recommend setting a reminder to avoid any surprises. Once signed in, Adobe will guide you through downloading the Creative Cloud app. Find Animate, hit install, and you're ready to start animating. It usually takes just a few minutes to install. That's it. You now have 2 full weeks to dive into Animate and experiment with animations, interactive content, and multimedia projects completely risk-free. Before you go, don't forget to sign up for our newsletter. You'll get exclusive discount codes, the latest tech news, and early access to the best tools and software updates. The link to sign up is below this video. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more software guides and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and have fun creating with Adobe Animate.